Hey there, DailyDAV Alec here. My day is going great. I'm just reviewing the signed MOUs we got from our different partners, putting it in archives for our records. Today I finished all the logistics for tomorrow's event. We're hosting Trendy. It's a Swedish group coming in to talk DAV and trends. Will be super fine. Update soon. Bye.
Hi everyone. At the end of last week, I started preparing a presentation for our visitors tomorrow from Sweden. We'll be talking about the impact of autonomous vehicles on the built environment and on infrastructure. Today, I plan to practice that presentation, make sure everything is in order. I will also be working in our social channels. We have a lot that we want to share with our community today, so you'll be hearing from us a lot there today. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, so today I started editing the developer documentation. I started adding a new section of the drone charging process. Basically the process of when a drone is searching for a charging station nearby and providing the requirements that it has, technical and physical requirements. After research that was done by one of our team members, Andrew, about the physical aspect and the real requirements that current drones in the world have, and of course the other side of it, the charging station that can efficiently bid on providing that charging service, assuming of course that it answers those requirements. So this is going to be the next issue that we're going to add to the developer portal. We already have, of course, the electric vehicle charging process, and there are several others that are coming up. So thanks.
Hey, good night. It is 1:40 a.m. on a Saturday night and I am exhausted. I just spent the past 14 hours putting the final touches on our encryption and connecting it to the identity smart contracts, and we now have a really cool system that encrypts communication between vehicles, users, applications, and uses the blockchain as a decentralized certificate authority to verify those communications and those identities. I know it's really boring stuff, but if you're a developer building applications on top of our platform, you get all of that sweet security for free. It is all part of our developer tools. I'll see you in the office in a few hours.
And I'm back at the office, ready to start a new work week. So today I'm going to be working with Lior, helping him get up to speed on all of our different projects and helping him get started on a few new ones. I'll also be working on connecting the identity smart contract with the dev token contract, making sure they both work together. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Porter here. So yesterday, half the day I was down in Silicon Valley to meet with a potential advisor, so that was a really good meeting. That all went very well. Also, I worked on some finishing touches for the new iteration of our white paper, which is complete, so that should be going live very shortly. And then also did some work on the existing website. We are updating the homepage for some new announcements coming up. Today, my main focus has been doing some work on the new iteration of the website, which we're hoping to launch end of this month. So a lot of exciting things there, working on the mock-ups and things on that sort. And then I'm also worked with one of our freelancers today. We have another piece of content coming out next week. And then also I have a call this afternoon with another potential advisor. So a lot of great conversations happening, a lot of good things happening as always. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Bye.
Hi guys. Yesterday I finished an amazing app inspection build and a few variants design logo. Also I'll fix a data sheet. Today I'll plan to make a several fix homepage our site. I'll get new members in section our team and edit a video at homepage. After then I'll make presets icon for our new DAV brand guide. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.